Now let us discuss next question, and the question number 26. Based on this passage, all action to address climate change ultimately involve cost. Funding is vital in order for countries like India to design and implement adaptation and migration plan and projects. The problem is more severe for developing countries like India, which would be one of the hardest hit up by climate change. Given its need to finance development, most countries do indeed treat climate change as the real threat and are striving to address it in a more comprehensive and integrated manner with the limited resources at their disposal. In this paragraph, would be the most, with reference of the above passage, the following assumptions have been made. Assumptions, we have to think about what the assumption says, and they say that climate change is not challenging for development country. Climate change, it is already written here that climate change is most of the country do indeed a change is the real threat, so this is not correct. Climate change is here. Climate change is a complex policy issue and also a development issue for many countries. Ways of means of finance must be found to enable developing countries to enhance their adaptive capacity. This is what the two things concern in this passage. One is climate change is a complex policy, and here it is given design and implementation, adaptation and migration plans and project. So this is a vital in order to countries like India. One thing. Second thing is that wage of means of finance must be. It is given here that countries like India will be one of the hardest hit by climate change given its need to finance development. Right now, most of the countries. So two things are there which can be assumed by the author in this paragraph. So 2 and 3 will be most appropriate assumptions, and on the basis of this paragraph is being written. So on the basis of that, answer most appropriate would be C.